guys, welcome back to my channel, genelizq, and today I'm gonna be doing some makeup on a friend of mine. So guys, I'm here with my friend Christina and I'm gonna be doing a tribal look on her, so keep on watching. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see the final result. So guys, I'm gonna be applying the Spray and Slay, and then I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Makeup. It's a cool tint and it is in the color Coca. So next we're going to be applying some concealer, and we are going in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. Next guys, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match powder, also a cool color in the color Coca, and it's C8. Alright guys, so for her cheeks, I'm going to be using this color right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a coral orange. I think I'm going to mix this color, and I'm also going to be mixing this color. I'm going to start from her ear down. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to work my way down. I'm going with the foundation brush because as you can see here, you can see a little bit of the line, and we don't want that. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the other side, and I'm going to take the foundation brush just to clean up this line right here. I swatched the colors and I'm going to be using on her eyes. Listen, that just speaks for itself. Let's see her arm. Look at that. Let's go. So I'm going to start off with this color right here. It's like a turquoise color. So you're going to spray the brush to get an intense color. So for those of you who do makeup or on yourselves or on other people, and you guys tend to blink, make sure to just let the person know and take breaks. Alright guys, I'm going to be going in with this yellow, and I'm going to be applying the yellow from here all the way up to the brow bone. Dude, tell me that's not insane. Look, tell me that's not insane.
It's powerful. Some white cream makeup. We are going to be putting on some tribal designs on her face. And gonna dab it into the white paint, and I'm basically gonna be starting from here all the way up around the eyebrow and down. Okay, hold on. I can't with you. We're having fallout, people. We're having fallouts. I like it. I like Rafiki from the Lion King. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit like, comment down below, to subscribe, and also make sure you hit the notification bell. Until next time, guys. Bye. Mwah!